Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. It is paper pumpkin time again. This is the December 2025 watercolor in bloom set. So let's see what's in the kit. We've got our instructions to make 3 each of 3 different cards with these beautiful envelopes. The instructions are in color, and we've got our measuring tape down the side. Shows all the things in the kit, and the coordinating colors are garden green, night of navy, pretty peacock, secret sea, shaded spruce, and bronze. And it does indeed coordinate with the abundant joy dies, which we have. So there we go. Here's our stamp set. And the stamps say, "Dear friend, thank you, miss you. The little things you do for me mean so much." Then so much on its own. You make me feel loved. And then we've got these little stamens here, leaves, flowers, and another set of leaves. And we've got a night of navy ink spot. We've got some Terran tape and some bronze sequins and our dimensionals. These are for the front of one of the cards, and here's those gorgeous envelopes. They've got this beautiful edging to them, and here's one of our card bases, and I love the fact that they're front and back, so we know we're going to be cutting those up to use. We've got some greeting blanks. And then we've got some more die cuts. These are gorgeous. Absolutely, absolutely gorgeous. Yes. Okay. Oh, next card base. Again, fabulous, fabulous. Oh, and vellum. Yay, we have vellum. So we've got our vellum blanks to use as well with the cards. And our last card base here. In those shades of blue almost into green. And look at these die cuts. How gorgeous are these with that bronze, almost coppery color metallic embellishment. So yes, I am so looking forward to making this kit. So stay tuned for project number 1, which is this card right here.